Spoiler Talk has been thrown a curveball, but it's not all that bad. I've got some updates, good news, and a plan to move us forward. Let me tell you all about it. Starting with our database, ClearDB, the database we've been using for Spoiler Talk, just announced that they're shutting down their service. So yes, our database is being discontinued, which means we have to move all our data to a new one. So the plan is to have my developer Umar work on the data migration and hopefully have that done before the end of the month. That is a project in its own, so in the moment we're going to have to put a halt on the other services that we're doing in Spoiler Talk. If you're one of the people that commented on my last post asking to put your book on the app, I was able to get some of you, but for the rest of you, I'm going to put you in the archives, and when we're done with the data migration, I'll have your books on the app. Now let's talk about where Spoiler Talk is currently at. In about 2 months, we were able to grow our user base to almost 600 users, which I think is pretty incredible for where we are and who we are. And honestly, I couldn't have done this without the support of everyone in the community. I really appreciate you guys. But here's the thing. We're at a point where I do want to see more growth and give the users what they want, but I also don't want to just keep spitting out features for the sake of it. So I want to ask the users, what would you like to see in the future of Spoiler Talk? What have you experienced on the app so far, and what more do you want to see on the app? Because at the end of the day, I'm creating this app for the people. I had the idea for this product, but I also want to remember that I'm creating a product to fix a solution. So if you've downloaded the app and you've been able to test it out, whether you enjoy it or not, please let us know in the comments what you think about the app and how we can improve. We also had plans for an event called the Chatathon that was going to be our first big event with Spoiler Talk that's supposed to be happening this week. The Chatathon was an initiative to bring people together, whether you're a poet, writer, author, publisher, anyone that's in creative, to come together and be able to talk amongst one another within the app and create these communities and discover more people within these communities. But unfortunately, those plans didn't pan out due to some time conflicts and some miscommunication. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. I am disappointed because this was going to be our first campaign. We even started pushing ads on Instagram. And this whole process taught me that I really can't do this thing alone. I've been exploring different directions that Spoiler Talk could take, and a technical co-founder and a business strategist is something that I've been looking more into. I've also been looking into just scrapping everything and doing no code, but at this moment, I'm being transparent with everyone and letting you know what my thoughts are. I know I built something special here, but I really want to take it to the next level. So to wrap it all up, here's the plan. First thing we're going to do is complete the data migration. Once that's done, I'll be adding more content to the app. I'll be adding your book submissions to the app as well. By December 1st, I'll have a clear roadmap of what I'm going to do with Spoiler Talk and where we're going to take it. And in the meantime, I'll be continuing to post content and also continue to make posts on how I recreated the mobile app Spoiler Talk. If you've made it this far, I want to say thank you for listening. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey, and I really appreciate it. And seriously, if you've tested the app out or if you use it at all, let me know below in the comments what you want to see moving forward with Spoiler Talk. Together, we're going to make Spoiler Talk an even better app and a great place for the TV, movie, and book lovers to connect. Big things are on the way, so stay tuned. I'll see you next time.